Well, that's not my cup of tea, but this is. But never mind. In Hindi, we call them Khubani, and in English, they are known as apricot. Like other healthy fruit, apricot are powerhouse of both vitamin and minerals. And today, I'm gonna make something unusually Indian with them. I'm gonna make apricot kofta curry with them. So let's start cooking. For Khubani kofta, first we'll start with the marination. First, I'm gonna add cardamom powder, white pepper powder, salt, egg white, breadcrumb. Now I'm going to mix all this nicely. This method of marination keeps the chicken soft and spongy. That's why it is called nazuk. And this method is also used for making chicken quenelles. For color, I'm going to add little saffron water and mix it up nicely. My mixture is ready. I'm going to let it rest for a while. In the meantime, I'll start preparing my gravy. For the gravy, first I'm going to take a pan, heat it up, add oil. Start with adding onion slices, ginger garlic paste. I'm going to cook the onion till I get nice golden brown color. Once onions start getting golden, I'm going to add teaspoon of turmeric, the onions are done. I'm going to let it cool for a while. My onions have cooled down. Now I'm going to transfer them into a blending jar. Add 3 tablespoons of curd. And little water. And now I'm going to blend it to a fine puree. I got a nice thick paste. My onion paste is done. I'm going to use it later in the gravy. Now I'm switching on the gas for steaming to make Khubani koftas. In the meantime, I'll start preparing my gravy. First, I'm going to add oil. My oil has heated up. First, I'm going to add 1 bay leaf, cumin seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 green cardamom, few pieces of cloves, and then let the cumin crackle. Once the cumin starts cracking, I'm going to add tomato puree. Cook the tomato puree for at least 2 to 3 minutes. As the tomatoes start reducing, I'm going to add the masalas. First, I'm going to add coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala. Make sure you cook the gravy on low flame so that the masala doesn't burn. Once you know the rawness of the masala is gone, you can add the onion paste which we made earlier. After adding the onion paste, cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Once the gravy starts leaving oil, now I'm going to add the cashew paste and mix it nicely. Now I'm going to add little salt to it. Give a nice mix. The gravy is ready. As you can see, it is nice, velvety, smooth. Next, I'm going to pass it through a strainer for removing all the khada masalas. I strained my yellow gravy and I've transferred it back into the pan. Now I'm going to start making my Khubani koftas and then steam them. For Khubani kofta, I'm going to apply oil on my hand. Take a tablespoonful of kofta stuffing. Roll it up in the hand. Press it. Then take a piece of apricot and place in the center. Then roll it again into a nice ball. Khubani koftas are now ready. Let's start steaming them. As the water starts boiling, I'm going to put the plate strainer for steaming and start placing my Khubani koftas over it. Now I'm going to cover it and let it steam for at least 5 minutes. My koftas are almost steamed. I'm going to take a pan, add oil and fry the koftas to just get little color on them. I'm going to transfer them to the pan. I got the color which I needed for my Khubani. Now I'm going to add 1 big spoon of sauce onto it. I'm just tossing the Khubani kofta in the sauce. My kofta and my gravy is ready. Now we'll start off with the plating. First I will pour my gravy on the base. Then start placing the Khubani koftas. Garnishing with fresh cream and finishing with fresh coriander leaves. There you go guys, our Khubani ke nazuk kofte are now ready. Well, it's a wrap from my end. I hope you enjoyed my Apricot Kofta Curry. My glutton is killing me from inside, but that won't stop me from trying this aromatic koftas. By the time I try this delicious koftas, you please like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to get curried. Goodbye.